Welcome to the Alignment Consensus Survey presentation. This brief presentation is designed to give you enough information to complete the survey that you've been asked to complete on behalf of your institution. Because you've been selected to answer the survey on behalf of your institution, answers should be considered from an institutional perspective rather than a personal opinion or experience. Where necessary, you are welcome to consult colleagues, and we've provided a printed copy of the survey for that purpose. Please be sure to respond before the survey deadline and only online through the web survey link. What is the Alignment Survey? Faculty working groups propose the learning outcomes for the proposed CTAG that you will see in the survey. These post-secondary learning outcomes were sent out for endorsement. If you are seeing those learning outcomes in the survey, they were preliminarily endorsed by post-secondary institutions. The same faculty working groups that proposed the learning outcomes also worked with the Ohio Department of Education to align the preliminarily endorsed post-secondary learning outcomes to the updated 2014 version of the Secondary Career Field Technical Content Standards, which set forth the curricular standards for the secondary career technical education. These groups have determined that the alignment is sufficient and has produced an alignment document. This group and the Ohio Board of Regents now seek endorsement for that alignment. Endorsement suggests that the content is sufficiently equivalent and that the CTAG should be moved forward to formalization for the award of post-secondary credit to secondary students who complete appropriate secondary course program and examinations. Now let's get technical. Here you will see an image of a sample alignment document. Post-secondary learning outcomes for the course established by a faculty panel representing various institutions in both 2- and 4-year publics agree on the learning outcomes for the course. These were sent out for statewide endorsement in fiscal year 2014. All institutions were provided the opportunity for input and endorsement. That feedback was considered by a lead faculty member and panel and where necessary incorporated into the learning outcomes. At this time, we are not asking for you to make any additional changes to the endorsed learning outcomes that left. At right are competencies and descriptors for the Ohio Department of Education Career Field Technical Content Standards. The point that the learning outcomes at left match or are equal to the competencies at right is called alignment. This is the crux of the survey, and this is where we are asking for your opinion. A future outlook. If the CTAN is endorsed statewide, it will become part of our statewide career technical assurance guides and provide a guarantee of credit for students who 1. Successfully complete the approved secondary career technical program or courses, 2. Matriculate to an institution of higher education with a comparable program, and 3. Who complete an approved third-party industry standard credential or an endorsed third-party exam credited for ODE, CTE by the Center on Education and Training for Employment. Please note, third-party examinations are those that have undergone tests of validity and reliability and are developed independently. They follow best practices for psychometrics and test development. ODE has contracted with the Center for Education and Training for Employment at The Ohio State University, who specialize in the creation of career technical assessment. Where there are no industry standard exams or statutes that regulate the practice for a particular field, we involve faculty members from across the university systems of Ohio to assist in writing questions for ODE's end-of-course examinations and to assure college rigor, and to provide a recommendation to the Ohio Articulation and Transfer Network regarding the examinations. Congratulations! You are now ready to take the survey. A faculty subject matter expert, or SME, should complete the survey via the web-based link. You should have received various documents from your provost or chief academic officers. While you were forwarded a lot of documents, within these includes a PDF version of the survey containing the web-based link to be completed. The survey link can also be found within the body of the attached memorandum. Please use this link for survey completion. Please note, nothing should be returned to the Ohio Board of Regents on paper. Additional background regarding the Career Technical Credit Transfer, or CT2, can be found by accessing this web address. Thank you for participating, and should you have any additional questions, please contact Jamila Jones-Tucker, Director of Career Technical Initiatives at the Ohio Board of Regents by phone or email. We thank you.